Okay, welcome everyone. I am here with Lee Contreras, who is from PTA Plastics in Colorado. Lee, what is your position there at PTA?
Currently, I'm engineering support supervisor, so I support all the engineers in both divisions of Colorado and Connecticut.
Awesome, excellent. And so we're talking with Lee today because she is one of the very special winners of a free trip to IMTS 2022, thanks to the Women in Manufacturing silent auction that occurred in fall of 2021. So, first of all, Lee, congrats on winning this awesome prize. I know that the Women in Manufacturing auction has a lot of really cool prizes that you could have bid on.
hmm
What made you choose this one in particular?
well, I picked this one number one because it's in Chicago and that's where I'm from. I moved to Colorado in 1999, so that was the major focus for me on that. And also just the innovation and new ideas I can go and see and bring back to my company.
Awesome. Yes, we love Chicago. We love Chicago. And actually, IMTS is such a big show. McCormick Place in Chicago
hmm
is really the only convention center that can fit all of the innovation and technology that we have on display. So not
Yeah,
only is it a great town, it's the town for this particular event. So have you been to IMTS
I
before,
have
or is this
not.
your first? Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your impression of the show? Just that it's the place to go to see all the, cutting edge technologies, or what?
Well, I talked to a few people here at my company, and they were really excited about the show, and they shared with me, that it has 3D printing, automation, anything that has to do with manufacturing. You're going to see it there, CNC machines, and we have our own tooling division here, so it's going to be kind of fun to see what's out there.
Yeah. Oh, it is the place to be. And in fact, when you visit, make sure you check out the Additive Pavilion if
hmm
3D printing is something in particular that you're keeping an eye out for, because
hmm
you're sure to see some displays and demos that will just blow your mind.
Yeah.
What they've got cooking there is really exciting. Do you have any goals for your trip while you are at the show? Anything in particular other than 3D printing that you're looking for?
I think for me, it's just going to be seeing what other industries are using for technology. um, what can I bring back to my team to show them or talk to them about like how we can do better processes here, and to see as much as I can.
Yeah, that sounds pretty perfect.
Yeah.
So, as a woman in manufacturing and having won this great trip through the Women in Manufacturing Association, what would you say, in your words, is it about groups like Women in Manufacturing that is so valuable?
I feel like groups like Women in Manufacturing empower women. A lot of women are in industries or in companies that are mostly men, and sometimes they kind of get lost, and it empowers them to be more vocal and to step up and to dream bigger.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. I love
Mhm.
that. And I think attending, having another woman at IMTS is such a great step in that direction too. So
Mhm.
we're really excited to have you at the show. For those viewing, stay tuned because we will be touching base with Lee in the coming months and at the show to see how her experience is, and just get the overall feel for what you think of the show. So thank you again, and we'll be in touch soon.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.